You're watching TPM Vid Spotlight Series. With the 2023 season at Canada's Wonderland now in full swing, the park has opened 2 brand new thrill rides. First up in Planet Snoopy, you can find Snoopy's Racing Railway. This family launch coaster is the 18th roller coaster at Canada's Wonderland. It takes you from 0 to 50 kilometers or 31 miles per hour in a matter of seconds, and the theming here is fantastic.
We're definitely making a concerted effort to transition from an amusement park to a theme park, the way that the park originally was.
On Snoopy's Racing Railway, get ready to go on a railroad chase to outrun Woodstock and the Bad Seed Gang. There's going to be a more detailed look of the coaster at the end of this video. Then over in Frontier Canada, you can find Tundra Twister.
This is our new one-of-a-kind thrill ride. This thing goes 360 degrees in the air. It's 47 meters high. It also spins guests on the gondolas 360. So it is a crazy experience, and we can't wait to get guests on.
Tundra Twister is actually a prototype model from Mundial, so there is nothing else like this in the world. Canada's Wonderland already has a unique collection of thrilling flat rides, and Tundra Twister is another fantastic addition. It's right at home here in Frontier Canada. Ever since 2019 with Yukon Striker, the land has continued to grow, and Canada's Wonderland isn't stopping there.
Frontier Canada is not finished, and now we're continuing to add to it, and there will be future growth as well. I think we're all internally very proud of this area too, because it is a little piece of Canada, and continue that growth here in the park.
This just means more theming and more thrills are in the park's future. Now enjoy this off-ride and on-ride POV of Tundra Twister, and be sure to stay tuned after for a detailed look at Snoopy's Racing Railway.
Facing forward in an upright position with your back until there's a 360 back and hold on until the ride comes to a complete stop. Please keep your seatbelt fastened at all times. Thank you and enjoy your ride. enjoyed the ride on Tundra, you may now unfasten your seatbelt at this time. Please remain seated until the ride comes to a complete stop. Keep your head back until your train opens and exits towards Yukon Instructor. Thank you for riding, and we hope you enjoy the rest of your day here at Canada's Wonderland. Ride on.
We've got a payload of root beer to deliver to Miss Lucy's saloon with no time to waste. And with engineer Snoopy at the helm, nothing can stop us. Oh no! It's Woodstock and the Bad Seed Gang! Snoopy, get us out of here! Everyone, we helped Mountie Charlie Brown get some bad roads behind bars. When the ride comes to a complete stop, push up on your lap bar and exit through the gate. Thank you for riding and enjoy the rest of your day.